Okay, get the whole shot. Wow, what a job, race number 114. Ayan na po, Matic Movies Production.
Mga tuwan.
Okay, race number 114. Ayan ang breakaway na. That is Emmanuel Lanorias, mga kaigsonan. Okay. On second place, tingnan natin sino kaya nang nasa pangalawa. Grabe yung racetrack, no? Nakuha. Kung wakay saktong hangin na ni, wakay perforasyon na ng racetrack ka. Grabe ka. Dali kay ka bubuto. Okay, Lanorias still on first position. And second place, that is okay, Karin also from the Pride of Matalo. On third place from Team Cebu, that is Jacob Quirol. On the fourth place, tignan natin sino na sa pangapat. Sabi yung mga Novice Production, ha? Novice Production lang yan. Okay. Yan. Tignan natin, ha? So, still pa rin, race number 114. That is Lanorias, followed by Jacob Quirol. On third place, that is Karin. And also race number